Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I want to share how we celebrated VaraLakshmi Pooja at our home this year. With Amavaru's grace, I was able to perform puja very well by inviting few ladies and give the tambulam. Even though I traveled to India and I have a very less time to plan the puja, I was able to perform the puja very nicely. Always I clean the silver puja items the day before of puja. I use the same technique to clean the silver puja items by keeping the aluminum foil in the boiling water along with the baking soda. You can see the difference of how it is turning the color of the silver plate. Planning the things ahead and making the notes in the book, the process becomes easier. Here I already arranged the flowers and fruits separately, and I kept the blouse pieces, turmeric and puja items in one baskets along with silver items. And also I kept aside the gift separately, and I read the book to know the process before ahead. This is the backdrop I purchased from Amazon India. With the help of push pins, I arranged in the room where I am doing the puja. By just adding the backdrop, it makes a lot of difference. It looks so beautiful. And I also arranged the plastic flowers for this backdrop. Keep your blouse piece ready for the kalasham. I kept the rice flour, turmeric and kumkum along with water and chalk pieces so that we can apply the turmeric for our entrance and also make the rangoli for our home. This turmeric is also be useful for making the kalasha radhana. This year I wanted to drape the pink color silk saree for Ammavaru, so I purchased this color saree and made the pleats up to 70% of the saree. With the help of clips we folded into two, and with the help of the rice container and a kalasham we tied the saree like this. By so happy to drape this saree for Ammavaru, and I am so lucky. And on the VaraLakshmi Pooja day, I decorated with the Ammavaru's face with the necklace and all these things. Kept the kalasham near Ammavaru's idol and also made the turmeric Ganesha and turmeric Gauri Devi for the puja. Ammavaru, I want to offer 5 types of prasadam. That one of them is Paravanam and also Vada and the Purnam. For all these things, I made the pre-preparations like soaking the dals and the day before and Purnam. I also made Pulihora and this Rava Kesari. And all these together I offered in one big plate, and after puja we offered to Ammavaru. After making all different types of prasadams and keeping the kalasham, we started our puja process by following the achamanam, pranayamam, sankalpam, kalasaradhana, ganapati puja, shodashopachara puja, anga puja, ashtotaram, and toragrani puja. And after that we did the vayana danam and also read the ashtotaram, lalita sahasranamam, and gave the vayana danam to Ammavaru and two other ladies. Evening we invited few ladies and gave the tambulam. This is how we celebrated our puja. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.